Robotics for precision and efficiency. Robotics technology is transforming business operations by automating repetitive tasks and boosting productivity through precise, efficient systems. Industrial robots capable of complex tasks are used widely in manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, improving assembly accuracy, handling hazardous materials, and managing data efficiently. Robotics integration reduces human error and operational costs, allowing businesses to deliver higher quality products faster, a key competitive advantage. Healthcare has benefited from surgical robots that assist in precision procedures, reducing patient recovery times. In logistics, robots streamline inventory and warehouse operations, while in agriculture, robots perform tasks like planting and harvesting, lowering labor costs and ensuring consistency. This efficiency enables businesses to reallocate human resources to more strategic roles, fostering innovation and enhancing work environments. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside employees, enhancing rather than replacing tasks. With advanced sensors, cobots prioritize safety, making them ideal for industries where speed and precision are essential. By handling repetitive tasks, cobots allow employees to focus on complex, value-driven activities, improving productivity and job satisfaction. As robotics advances, companies leverage machine learning and AI, enabling robots to learn and adapt to new tasks, especially valuable in custom manufacturing and e-commerce. Adopting robotics not only boosts efficiency, but also positions businesses as industry innovators, setting new standards in productivity and precision.